Greetings from Erstavik's Ballet, my happy place, on this 10th of October. 10-10, yes. And it has been a month since I have been here. I was here on the 9th of September, 9-9. What a coincidence. I used to cycle to this beautiful spot as it is 16.5 kilometers from my home. But today I came by public transport because it is my last day with the public transport card, monthly card that I have, and I have been all around Stockholm and have visited also so many different islands as well. It is a wonderful Friday, a bit sunny, but also there are some very low clouds. Not so full because yeah, it's a nice day and one of the last few warm days over 10 degrees Celsius, as next week is going to be cold. So this is probably my last sea visit here in Stockholm this year. I'm really curious how cold or warm it is in the water. I think it should be around 13 degrees, so we're gonna find out in a bit while I show you around the beach. You have seen this beach obviously if you are watching my channel, and I'm all alone on this beach. So in some of the previous episodes I told you that it's very far from this beach to the closest bus stop, but that is not completely true, because I walked from the closest bus stop that's also light rail stop, but the light rail is now under construction, so there is a bus from Slussen. The bus ride from Slussen is 35 minutes, and the station is called Erstavik Beach, and from that station to this beach is 1.5 kilometers through the beautiful nature and the nature reserve of Erstavik. It's lovely indeed. Not so much wind today over here, and you can see I have the whole beach just for myself, as the people of Stockholm have abandoned the beach adventures for this year apparently. So let's then see. Here we have also some jellyfish, and let's see what we have. Okay, we have, as I said, 13 degrees Celsius. It's like 13 and a half, but it's closer to 13 than 14. And 10th of October, beach the number 139 in Sweden only this year. So then we are ready for a swim in the Baltic Sea here. And this is in Nacka, obviously. And I haven't been on the sea in Nacka for a very long time now, I realize, because I usually go to Värmdö because it's a bit further, and in Nacka I can visit also by bicycle, but the weather will be also cold soon, so yeah, let's think about that when it comes to that. Just how amazing this is. It is brilliant. So beautiful. The water is crystal clear, as you can see. Super sandy, and even jellyfish in the water. Perfect day to be out on the sea, and I'm definitely going to be swimming for at least 10 minutes today. So yeah, it's such a wonderful day to enjoy on the sea, and I can't believe that October delivers such a great weather. Let's hope that even November can bring some sunny joy into my beach adventures. Okay, then it's time to go underwater on this 10th of October here in Erstavik. Are you ready? Ready, set, and go! It's amazing. I love it. It's brilliant. Absolutely stunning. I feel alive. And I'm probably the only person going in for... Oh, look at that jellyfish. Let's go below the water and see up close. Yeah, there's a few jellyfish here today in the water. They usually come here in autumn. I haven't seen that many of those during summer. And it seems like jellyfish are going into waters that are clear and clean. And now the sea seems super clean indeed. Alright, so greetings from Erstavik Beach. It's time for me now to go in for a 10-minute swim. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!